Hello, this is your Ohio Weather Network forecast summary for Tuesday, December 7th, 2010. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started with the regional weather summary. Lake effect snow continues to fall over portions of northeastern Ohio, as a northwest wind will continue to allow for lake effect snow to develop across the region. This will eventually shift to a more westerly wind later today, and the lake effect snow will eventually diminish. Otherwise, expect the snow to continue through the afternoon and early evening. The rest of the state, however, will be mainly cloudy, although a few sunny breaks are possible from time to time. Lake effect snow warning remains in effect through 7 o'clock this evening for Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake, Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull counties. Additionally, a lake effect snow advisory remains in effect until 7 o'clock this evening for Lorain and Mahoning counties. Okay, on to the latest snowfall estimate, and we have changed just a few times throughout the past couple of days, and we think this is a pretty good estimate on the storm total snowfall at this time. For the primary snow belt, anywhere from 12 to 24 inches is likely, with locally higher amounts possible, of course. Lesser amounts along the lakeshore. For much of the secondary snow belt, and that's the lighter blue colors we see here, anywhere from 6 to 14 inches is likely, again with locally higher amounts possible, especially in this area here, southeastern Cuyahoga, northern Summit, portions of northwestern Portage County as well. Right in through here could have higher amounts, even greater than 14 inches as well. Now outside of that area, anywhere from 2 to as much as 7 inches is possible with higher amounts. Those higher amounts would be across portions of eastern Lorain County, down in through Medina, into the Akron area, maybe even portions of southwestern Portage County, although probably Akron would be the furthest limit there. There was a band that kind of set up here last night that did dump some higher amounts of snow. So could see a couple inches above 7 inches in there as well. It really is very dependent on where you are and exactly where that snowman was. You could walk down the street a little bit and it could have much more snow than at your location. Okay, on to the latest satellite image, and we see mainly cloudy skies across the state this morning. Now there are a few breaks here and there across portions of western Ohio. We can see that here. You may see some breaks of sunshine through the day, but otherwise expect mainly cloudy skies much of today. Latest radar image shows those lake effect snow bands continuing over northeastern Ohio. And we even have some lake effect snow bands over into parts of western New York, going down into the Appalachian Mountains in Pennsylvania, just east of Erie, down almost to State College there. And also have some lake effect snow off Lake Michigan through southwestern lower Michigan and then northern Indiana. But of course we're concerned with northeastern Ohio. We have a pretty strong band here, extends from Cleveland southeastward into southern Cuyahoga, northern Summit County, and even western Portage County. This includes places like Brunswick, North Olmsted, Brecksville, into parts of northern Summit County, including Macedonia, Twinsburg, Hudson, portions of Boston Heights, Stowe, and even in the western Portage County and places like Kent as well, getting a pretty good bit of snow. That's going to continue, it looks like, much of the morning and early this afternoon. Forecast for northeast Ohio. Well, snow likely today, 3 to 6 inches possible. Higher amounts locally where those snow bands persist. Could see maybe an additional 6 to 8, maybe even 9 inches possible in portions of northern Summit County there, where they've been getting walloped the past 18 to 20 hours. The high for Tuesday is 25, 17 for the overnight low. Snow showers possible Wednesday, mainly early on. It'll diminish later in the day as we go. Another additional inch to possibly 2 inches in some spots. 26 for the high and 13 for the low. Finally, a break from the snow on Thursday with mostly cloudy skies and a high at 26. 19 overnight Thursday night when another weak system moves in with some snow showers possible Thursday night into Friday. High Friday 34, the low 24. And mostly cloudy for Saturday with a high of 35. For northwest Ohio, we'll call a chance of snow showers today and tomorrow. Not a very good chance for snow, as they're more or less out of the snow belt there. 27 for Tuesday's high and 16 for the overnight low. 28 for Wednesday's high, 14 for the overnight low. Mostly cloudy Thursday with a high of 29, a low of 21. Before that disturbance moves in again Thursday night into Friday. It'll bring some snow showers into the area with a high of 36. 22 overnight Friday night, and mostly cloudy again on Saturday with a high of 35. Forecast for southeast Ohio. Snow showers possible in and out throughout the day today. Not expecting any accumulation down here. Very light, if any. 25 for the high, 14 for the low tonight. Mostly cloudy Wednesday with a high of 25 and a low of only 12 degrees. Going to be a cold one. Mostly sunny for Thursday with a high of 30. 24 for the overnight low. And again, we got the disturbance moving through again Thursday night and Friday with snow showers possible. A high of 40 on Friday and a low of 25. And 40 with mostly cloudy skies again on Saturday. Forecast for southwest Ohio. Well, mostly cloudy and cold for the next 5 days. High of 23 for Tuesday and a low of 9 Tuesday night. Going to be a cold one out there tonight. 25 for the high on Wednesday with a low of 10 degrees. For Thursday, a high of 33 with a low of 27. 40 for Friday with a low of 28 Friday night. And 43 on Saturday. For the latest weather information, be sure to check out our website, ohioweathernetwork.webs.com.